Okay, so it's been about 2 years, 3 years since I met Moses and when I came to Jamaica. And a year ago, I brought a rotary hoe for Ainsley and Moses to research putting exhaust into the soil in Jamaica, growing corn and beans and carrots and all different kinds of plants to see what it does. So Ainsley and Moses are going to describe what they saw when they did this experiment.
Sure. After the experiment accomplished, the corn would start like from ear to ear and fat the very same way. And all full out with grains.
Full of grains, right
Sure.
to the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
From bottom to top.
Yep.
All fat.
Yes.
And the cheese them was tall, big, and fat.
Yes. Compared to the other plant where we didn't put any exhaust on, it probably could be 3 times larger plant or 4 times larger plant.
Yeah,
Sure.
they were about 4 times larger.
4 times larger than
tall,
the top.
taller than me and you.
Yeah.
All the roots had on notches.
Yeah.
The
And
carrots were huge, and there were no water.
Yes.
Didn't get any rain at all.
So it's in very dry conditions.
Very dry
After we seeded it and rotary tilled that soil, it didn't really rain much since then.
Sure.
It was in dry, hot conditions. And the beans yielded sooner, and large bean pods on each plant,
Within
Exactly.
8
and big
weeks,
roots.
Sure.
8 weeks of beans were ready, and they all had nutrients.
Yes.
And the roots were tall.
But the strangest thing is on the corn, you found nodules on the roots.
Exactly. Sure.
And it seemed to be on these big plants where the exhaust went and really treated the soil. Just describe those nodules, what they were like. Like they were almost like
small, tiny stones.
Small
tiny
stones.
stones.
individual ones.
All over the roots.
All over the roots.
Serious.
Sure.
Yep.
And the beans and the corns. And the corns, the grain that we plant the corn with, after the corn grew up and we look at the roots, the grain was still there. And the main root, the grain that it burst from, was still there.
Still there, same way.
After the corn matured.
Okay, so the corn seed that was in the ground didn't get decayed away. It seemed to stay there, but yet it was a very powerful plant.
Yes.
The roots were stimulated. You dug up the roots about 3 weeks when the plant was about 3 or 4 weeks old, and I have a picture of that. And that one root went 3 feet down into the soil compared to the other one.
Sure. Burst. When we did that, it was about this tall and it burst off.
Sure.
We tried to get it all out first.
Yeah, yeah. It's amazing
Sure.
that just smoke would actually stimulate a plant to grow so much better.
Exactly.
But it's really all about the small particles that are in the fuel, and that's what Ainsley and I are going to go back to Canada, and we're going to do a lot of experiments in the greenhouse to find out, you know, different fuel additives, different seeds, different growing stages, all that kind of thing, and have universities fund us. And we're going to seek funding from United Nations and from other funding projects to help farmers in Jamaica do this, because it's expensive, but yet it's not so expensive because we grow more food, right?
Yes, we grow more food, and the foods are huge.
Yeah.
And
more nutritious, like the cabbages. They're saying the cabbage tastes better and stored a lot longer.
Yep. Even the carrots, after the field dried up, he went down there.
And carrot was still there.
Carrot was still there.
Really? After it dried up and it was still a good
All
carrot.
dried up. You still can put
Good,
it up.
solid carrot.
Fat, solid sandwich.
Yeah.
No problem. No insect.
Didn't spoil?
No
No
insect.
insects?
Didn't
insect
spoil.
at all. No insect.
After that all dried down, anytime I'm ready to use carrot, I just got to chop a big fat carrot.
Yeah. Amazing. And long and not stubby. It was a good looking carrot.
Sure, yeah.
Yes.
Clean, pretty carrot.
Yeah. No fuzzy white stuff on it. It was a very clean carrot.
Sure.
Yeah. No, that's great. Thanks
Sure.
for your interview.
Yeah.